The Dog and His Reflection by Aesop. A story about a dog and wanting more. Stick around to the end to hear the moral. Let's get started now. A dog, to whom a butcher had thrown a bone, was hurrying home with his prize as fast as he could go. As he crossed a narrow footbridge, he happened to look down and saw himself reflected in the quiet water as if it was a mirror. But the greedy dog thought he saw a dog carrying a bone much bigger than his own. If he had stopped to think, he would have known better. But instead of thinking, he dropped his bone and sprang at the dog in the river, only to find himself swimming for dear life to reach the shore. At last he managed to scramble out, and as he stood sadly thinking about the good bone he had lost, he realized what a stupid dog he had been. The lesson in this is it's very foolish to be greedy. For more great stories like this one, click on one of the videos on screen now.